residents.
Thank you, Ross. In just 2 weeks, it will be the 4th anniversary of Hurricane Michael. The Panhandle sustained quite a bit of damage, almost total devastation in some areas. One thing we learned was the importance of good insurance.
That's right. With Ian expected to make landfall this week as a possible Category 4, a lot of folks on the eastern side of our viewing area, like Calhoun County, are preparing for the worst just in case. News 13's Chloe Sparks joins us live in the studios. Chloe, how are they preparing for the storm?
Sandbags, plywood, and generators are some of the essentials, Tom. However, many Blountstown residents say after going through Hurricane Michael, they realize having home or flood insurance is key to recovery after the storm.
It was like a bomb went off. It was like a bomb went off, and so many people are still struggling to recover. And now we're back again.
Gina Adams has lived in Calhoun County for 20 years. She says the Blountstown community hasn't been the same since Category 5 Hurricane Michael rocked their world, specifically their homes. Did a lot of people in this neighborhood have flood insurance or property insurance whenever Hurricane Michael hit?
No, they did not.
And how do you think that affected them?
It devastated them, absolutely devastated them.
Many people either moved away or are drowning in debt. Adams says she got rid of her flood insurance the year before Michael hit. However, she had taken pictures of her property before the storm, and it ended up paying off through her property insurance. Florida Chief Financial Officer Jimmy Patronis says it's one of the smartest things you can do.
If you have this photographic evidence already in hand, it's going to make your claim cut and dry.
Patronis says it's too late for residents who don't already have flood or property insurance to get covered for Hurricane Ian.
You can go ahead and start the process, but it will not go in force in providing you protection to several months from now.
However, Patronis says Florida will take care of residents through the state-run Citizens Insurance.
We're sitting on $23 billion in reserves. Heaven forbid if we have that type of a catastrophic hurricane event, the state has got the resources to help digging ourselves out of whatever needs we need financially.
Adams says it's been hard, but she has faith the Blountstown community will get through it together if they need to, just like they did in 2018. They have experience under their belt.
We're much better prepared, much better knowing what's going to happen.
Although the storm could miss the Blountstown community, many residents like Gina Adams say they are putting out sandbags, dusting off their generators, and keeping a close eye on the forecast for evacuation queues.
Smart to be prepared. Chloe, what other precautions did CFO Patronis mention?
Well, Tom, he says storms like Hurricane Ian bring the perfect opportunity for predators. He says not to pay cash to anyone offering to help with debris cleanup, roof patching, or other measures like that. Insurance will not cover it. Go to mypanhandle.com to learn who to call post-storm.
Good advice. Thank you, Chloe. Chloe Sparks reporting live here in our studios. And here in Bay County,